Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ishan Kesavani and I will show you today how to find the nth term of this series. So we have a series whose first term is 2 and the second term is 6 and so on. So let's see what is the main logic behind this series. So as we can see that the first term of this series is 2 and second term is 6. That is, it is 2 plus 4, 6. And the third term is, if we see the third term, oh sorry, third term is 20, third term is 13, which is equals to 2, oh, which is equals to 6 plus 4 plus 3. And if we see the fourth term of this series, then it is 23, which is equals to 13 plus 4 plus 6. So if we write here plus 0, so we can see that the first term is 2. Then we add 4 to get the second term of the series, and we have to take another variable initialized to 0. So this variable will be 0 in the case of the second term, and which is incremented by 3 every time we are move ahead in the series. So let's see how to code this and find the nth term of this series. So first of all, I will be including hash include stdio.h header file. Now I will define a main method, and within that I will take few variables, say n and n, I, a and b. So I have taken n variable to take the input from the user to let the user inform of which term he wants to see, and I is for used for the looping purpose, and I have taken a variable as well as b variable. So I will initialize the a variable with the value of 2, because our first term of the series is 2, so I will be initializing it in the a variable, and b variable, in b variable I will be initializing 0 initially. So now I will ask the user to enter a number. Printf enter a number, and I will take the input with the help of the scanf function. Scanf %d comma address of n. So now I will use the for loop to traverse through the nth term of the series. So I will start the loop from the variable 2, and I will go up to the nth term. So I is less than equals to n and I plus plus, it will be incremented every time, and within that I have to write the code. So what we are seeing here, the first term is itself the 2, that is which we have stored in the a variable. So that's why I have traversed the loop from the second index. So I have left the first index because I already know that the first term of the series is 2. So that's why I have left that. So now I have to find the second term of the series, and so on. So to find the second term and nth term of the series, I have just to write initialize the value of a with the some new values such as a plus 4 plus b. So now as you all can see that if the value of a is 2, that if we want to find a second term, then we can simply this value a will be 2, and then it will be added with 4 and then with b, which is initialized to 0 initially, and then it will be incremented every time with 3. So we have to increment the value of b with 3 every time. So I will write b is equals to b plus 3, and that's all. So now I will print the nth term of the series. So printf the nth term of the series is %d comma a. So that's all. Now let's compile this program and run it. So it is asking me to enter a number. Let's say it is 4. So the fourth term is 23rd. So it is giving me the nth term is of the series is 23rd. So that's correct. Let's check some other values. So let's say 5 this time. So the nth term of the series is 36. Nth term, that is fifth term. So if we write instead of nth, we can write percentage d here. Percentage d th term, and here I can give as n. Yes, let's compile and run it again. So this time I want the 10th term, so I will be inputting 10. So the 10th term of the series is 146. So you have seen that how simply we can find out the nth term of the series. And so please thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such programming videos. Thank you.